Hey guys, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Gardening Paradise and hope you all would be doing great. So December and January might feel like quiet months for gardening, but they are actually a good time to sow some amazing flower seeds that will brighten up your garden in the coming season. So today we'll explore a hand-picked list of flowers to sow during these cool months and grow them successfully. So grab your gardening gloves and let's get started. Before going further, a small request to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification about my new videos. Winter gardening has its own charm. The cooler weather creates the perfect conditions for many flowers to establish their roots and prepare for vibrant spring blooms. Here are a list of flowers that are best sown in December and January. Before starting, there is a small update. You can purchase most of these seeds from a single person and that too just starting from rupees 10. I just share his WhatsApp number, so you can just message him and he will share the list of the seeds along with price and all. So let's start. Sweet peas are fragrant climbing plants known for their delicate ruffled petals and a wide range of vibrant colors including shades of pink, purple, white and red. These annuals are popular in gardens and bouquets for their lovely scent and charming appearance. Sweet peas thrive in cool, well-drained soil and full sun, often climbing trellises or fences with their tendrils. These climbing beauties not only add colors to your garden but also fill the air with their sweet fragrance. For the best result, soak sweet pea seeds overnight before planting. Plant them about 1 inch deep in well-drained soil and make sure they have a trellis or support to climb. Sweet peas love full sun and will bloom profusely through the late winters and early spring. Pansies are popular cool season annuals known for their large, vibrant blooms featuring a wide array of colors and unique patterns, including deep purples, bright yellow, rich reds, and soft whites. With their heart-shaped leaf and charming face-like flowers, pansies add a delightful touch to gardens, borders, and container. Thriving in full sun to partial shade, they prefer well-drained soil. Pansies are beloved for their beauty and versatility. Sow the seeds about a quarter inch deep in well-drained soil. Pansies thrive in full sun to partial shade and need regular watering. Expect vibrant blooms through the winter and early spring. Petunias are popular, versatile annual flowers known for their vibrant blooms and a wide range of colors, including shades of pink, purple, red, white, and yellow. They have trumpet-shaped flowers and a delightful fragrance, making them a favorite for hanging baskets, window boxes, and garden beds. Petunias thrive in full sun and well-drained soil, producing an abundance of flowers from spring until frost. Their ability to trail and spread makes them ideal for creating colorful displays. Available in many varieties, including wave, grandiflora, and multiflora, petunias attract butterflies and hummingbirds, symbolizing harmony and joy in the garden. Sow the seeds on the surface of the soil and lightly press them in. Petunias prefer full sun and regular watering. If you are looking for height and color in your garden, Larkspur is the perfect choice. Larkspur are tall, elegant blooms known for their striking spikes of densely packed flowers in shade of blue, purple, pink and white. These annuals or perennial plants have delicate fern-like foliage and are prized for their vertical presence in garden, reaching heights of up to 6 feet. Larkspur thrive in cool climate and well-drained soil, preferring full sun to partial shade. This flower adds vertical interest with its tall, stately spikes. Larkspur seeds can be sown directly in the garden in late autumn. Sow them about a quarter inch deep in well-drained soil and in a sunny spot. These flowers will bloom beautifully in early spring, creating tall, colorful spires in your garden. Sweet William or Dianthus is another lovely flower to sow in coming months. Dianthus flowers, also called pinks or sweet williams, are charming, fragrant blooms known for their frilled, ruffled petals and vibrant shades of pink, red, white, and purple. These hardy perennials or annuals thrive in sunny, well-drained soil, making them a favorite for garden borders, rock garden and containers. Dianthus blooms from spring to early summer and is cherished for its sweet, spicy fragrance. Plant the seed just below the surface of the soil in a sunny spot. They love well-drained soil and cooler temperature. Calendula is one of the easiest flowers to grow during the cooler months. Calendula, also known as pot marigold, are bright, cheerful blooms that range in colors from sunny yellow to deep orange. Known for their daisy-like appearance, calendulas are hardy annuals that thrive in full sun and well-drained soil. Blooming from early summer through fall, they are not only popular in garden for their long-lasting beauty but are also valued for their medicinal properties and used in skincare products. Sow the seeds half-inch deep in well-drained soil and keep them in a sunny spot. Calendula is also known for its edible petals and skin-soothing properties, so it's a win-win for both beauty and utility. Aster are beautiful daisy-like perennials known for their vibrant star-shaped blooms that come in shade of purple, blue, pink and white, often with yellow centers. These late blooming flowers thrive in full sun to partial shade and well-drained soil, making them perfect for adding colors to your garden. Sow the seeds about a quarter-inch deep in well-drained soil. Lupins are striking perennial plants known for their tall, colorful flower spikes that bloom in range of vibrant shades including blue, purple, pink, yellow and white. With their palm-shaped leaves and tall structure, lupins add a vertical interest and beauty to gardens and landscape. Thriving in full sun and well-drained soil, they are often used in borders, cottage gardens and wildflower meadows. Known for their ability to fix nitrogen in the soil, they also enhance garden health. Sow the seeds about half an inch deep in well-drained soil. Lupins thrive in full sun and will bloom beautifully in spring, bringing a splash of colors to your landscape. Salvia is a diverse genus of flowering plants in the mint family, featuring over 900 species. These perennials or annual plants are admired for their striking spice of tubular flowers that come in various colors including blue, purple, red, pink and white. Salvia thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, making it a popular choice for gardens, borders and containers. Known for their aromatic foliage, many salvia species are also used in cooking and herbal remedies. Their resilience and vibrant colors make them a favorite among gardeners. Sow the seeds about a quarter-inch deep in well-drained soil. Salvia prefer full sun and regular watering. Expect vibrant blooms from spring through summer. Nasturtiums are vibrant, easy to grow annuals known for their bright, cheerful flowers in shade of orange, yellow and red. These versatile plants feature round, succulent leaves and are edible blooms that not only add colors to garden but also serve as a delightful garnish in salads. Thriving in full sun and well-drained soil, nasturtium attract pollinators like bees and butterflies, which also act as natural pest repellents in vegetable gardens. They are beloved for their charming appearance and culinary uses. Sow the seeds about half an inch deep in well-drained soil. Nasturtium prefer full sun and can tolerate poor soil conditions. They'll bloom beautifully in spring and summer. Chrysanthemums, commonly known as mums, are popular perennial flowers renowned for their stunning, diverse blooms that come in various shapes and colors, including yellow, white, pink, red, and purple. These hardy plants thrive in full sun to partial shade and prefer well-drained soil, making them versatile choices for gardens, borders, and containers. Chrysanthemums are celebrated for their ability to add vibrant colors to landscape as other flowers fade. They symbolize fidelity, optimism, and joy, making them popular in floral arrangement and for special occasions. Sow the seeds about half an inch deep in well-drained soil. Chrysanthemums love full sun and will reward you with vibrant blooms through the fall and winter. Last but not the least, we have Ranunculus, commonly known as buttercups or Persian buttercup, is a genus of flowering plant renowned for their lush, cup-shaped blooms that can come in vibrant arrays of colors including yellow, orange, pink, red and white. These perennial plants thrive in full sun to partial shade and prefer well-drained soil, making them popular choice for garden beds, borders and floral arrangements. Ranunculus flowers are often used in bouquet and decorations due to their romantic appearance and long-lasting quality. Sow the seeds about half an inch deep in well-drained soil. Ranunculus thrive in full sun and needs regular watering. To ensure your seeds germinate successfully, here are few tips. Use well-drained, nutrient-rich soil to prevent waterlogging. Maintain consistent moisture but avoid overwatering. Place seed trays in a sunny spot or use a grow light for better germination. Protect seedlings from frost with mulch or a garden cover. So that's it for today's video for flower seeds to sow in December and January. These flowers will bring joy, color and life to your garden in the coming months. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and inspirations. So let us know in the comments what flowers you are planting this winter and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening.